Today I'm creating my first ever collection of paper goods and accessories. I've been wanting to do it forever, but honestly, I was scared. Then Printify reached out to sponsor this video, so now, no excuses. And thanks to them, I made one more step toward my dream. So this is me, creating my first collection, overthinking, doubting, making it anyway, and being proud at the end.
Hi, I'm Lou. You may know me from my DIY tutorials. I love books, crafts, and everything cozy, and recently I became a mom.
This video is really different from what I normally do, and I wanted to share more of the behind the scenes with you guys. Is that something you would be interested in? Okay, let's start. Here's the plan. First, I need to brainstorm for a general theme idea for this collection. Then I need to choose the products I'm going to include in that collection. And then of course I will need to make the designs and create the products. And finally set up my shop. Easy enough, right? In my plan, when I say create the products, I actually just mean upload my designs into Printify. And that's it. Printify is a print-on-demand service, which means that they take care of everything after you upload the design. They make it to order, so they print it, they package it, and ship it directly to your customers so that I can focus on designing, creating, and most of all, making videos instead of dealing with stock, shipping, or packaging, which is the whole point, honestly. For the theme of this collection, I had a lot of ideas and I couldn't choose from any of them, so I put them down onto paper and I was thinking it would help. Well, it didn't. I was as confused as I was before. The thing is, I love them all, and by choosing one, I wouldn't be choosing the other ones. I know that, right? But of course, that gave me choice paralysis. I couldn't make a choice. That night, I couldn't sleep, partly because I have a 3-month-old, and also because I was obsessing over the choice I had to make. The next day, I decided to just pick something. Not from my list, of course, that would have been too logical. Instead, I opted for a brand new idea, something for the book lovers, with funny relatable bookish quotes and ornaments around it to look like a vintage special edition book. I decided to commit, even though I was not sure. Because if I waited until I was sure, I'd probably never start. It's actually really scary and exciting to start something new, but the only way to start is start, right? Next up was choosing the products. Printify has over 1,000 products, which is amazing and overwhelming. Here's a little bit of my thought process. One of the reasons I wanted to go with print on demand and Printify is because most of you guys are from the US and I'm from Europe, which complicate things in terms of shipping, especially now with the new taxes and rules. So I wanted to pick products that are being made in the US, but also, if possible, in the EU, so I can get them easily for myself and for my EU customers. Well, eventually, if I get some. Also, to save on shipping, I wanted to have as few different manufacturers as possible, but I didn't want to miss out on great products just because it was US only or a completely different manufacturer from the rest. I want to offer great product and I want you guys to be able to purchase the entire collection if you want, without having to pay multiple shipping fees. At least the prices were not an issue, as every product have really competitive prices, and if I go with the premium plan, the cost per item drops even more. So if I do that, I can offer free shipping without having to up my prices too much. So after a lot of browsing and even more decision making, I narrow it down. First, notebooks, non-negotiable. This whole collection idea started because I wanted to offer a special to me notebook. I originally thought only of hardcover, but then I found a softcover option with 200 pages, nice 100 GSM paper, and rounded corner. So I guess I'm doing both. I kept looking to everything stationery related and found out that Printify even have a collaboration with Post-it. I've wanted to make Post-it notes like sticky notes forever, but making them DIY is too messy and complicated. So I'm very, very excited for those. I picked a few more products and then it was finally time to draw. This is my favorite part, just creating. This is when everything starts to fall into place. Honestly, overthinking never really stops. But you know what? You can still create anyway. And this is what I did now. Step by step, drawing by drawing, decision by decision. And slowly, it all started to feel like a real little collection. I decided to call it the Main Character Collection. Once the designs were done, I hopped into my Printify account and created all the projects. It is so wild to watch your drawings come from drawings to fully buyable projects in just a few clicks. It was just tiny sketches in my notebooks just a few days ago. I also was pretty scared of the listing process as I find writing description, SEO and all that a bit overwhelming, but it was super easy.
I already have an Etsy shop where I sell digital products, so I just connected my Printify to it in literally 3 clicks. But soon I'll set up a Shopify online store because you can connect it to your YouTube channel
and then tag products on videos. I'm so happy and proud to have made my first physical product collection, and here's the first look at it. My favorite is the journal, and I would love to know what is your favorite. Thank you so much for being here and watching until now, especially for this one. It means a lot. I'm going to order the full collection soon and do a proper review once everything arrives. But for now, the Main Character Collection is live.